This is 2.3, writing a Java program using our learning new programming skills to write the programs. Learning some new ones on the array. Array is a fixed length structure. Array is a fixed length structure. Array is a variable in the structure. And this is the battle style game. Thinking.game. Come, oh, I think this is very difficult thing for me to design if I just want to have the complete version. But I think it's very useful material slides for me because I think he can taught us what is the engineer and how to design a object, how design a game, how design a design something, anything. And this is just something that is just like this is just some I don't want to explain more about this game. Just like the regulations, like how to say that game. Just those avoid the boom. I think this that game is so poor translation for me. Set up. Oh, I think it's a little bit difficult because we need the GUI and to design some grades and then how to randomly to get the random orange settings and then how to design the regulation like when we click um, some position then give me some feedback or there are some tricks. I think it's a little bit it's very easy but very complex. Easy but complex and I can't know well what is the beginning and how to begin it and what is the ending of it. Think all the computers dot counts in the future to gain number of steps get. You are given a rating based on how well you perform. A virtual then be prompted to enter the first guess. Second dog game how to play and sample the internet. No GU how to play no GUI use command line like oh I think it's a little difficult for me to how to it's very easy because it's just to assign some arrays and then to memory them and then change the something that we have input and then to if else and have some loop. But even if it's very easy thing for me, but I think not really easy. Complex, okay. And please remember there are some simplified that is the so high level design very important is that high level design and conversion to flowchart. Work first work out the program interaction, write everything in English and then define the general flow. I think this is very important thing and it's a little mix and math for me because I don't write down and work out the program interaction. I think it's easy, but when I don't have action, it's very difficult. Because the program interactions, write everything in English, and do not write Java code, define the general flow of the game from the specification, and though a diamond and some representation and game start game and the game gets checkers. Okay, I think I have learned, but okay, developing the class. The second thing, the first thing is that conversion to flowchart. The second thing, the classes developing the classes for the think or .com game. Always try to make things simpler on the first iteration of your programs. Always try to make things simpler on the first iteration of your program. Always try to make simpler on the first interaction. You also simpler only one dot and not to the only one dimension in one row, and the goal is same here. We are going to need from bottom to top. We are going to need two classes like game classes, the cam class. Simple version, the game class has no instant variable and all the coding stuff is in main. Simple version, the game class has no instance variable and all the coding stuff is in main. Simple version, the game class has no instance variable and all the coding stuff when launches. Simple version, the game class and okay, I remember the other things, so I should be focused. Simple version gives no interaction. Okay, when I speak, it's very easy. Talk is easy. Show me your code. I think it's the truth. Simple version, the game class no interaction. One larger circle. Okay, how did I then hit. What is the you are you what? Create instance, the game version, game has no instance variables, and all coding stuff in May. This is just design, and I think remember this is just the paragraph dice. We are going to the terminal and simple version, get no instance variables and the coding stuff. When we launch it, will create one instance of the document class and choose the location for it in 3 consecutive array cell locations of that play the game in 3 consecutive array location launch it. It's not very easy thing. In the number of kits and simpler code games test. Simpler code hit, okay. Steps to develop revision, decide what the class is supposed to list the include. Okay, this is just class and this is a recap at first decision, second list, instant variable method, and third preparation, flow diagram, and then test code, and implement test and debug. And so this is just very easy thing. And so the first thing, let's repeat. The first thing is decision, second to design the workflow. The third thing is that write the method and the variable, instant variable. The third thing is that to make prepare code. The fifth thing is that use the test. Second thing is that give the output, get output and debug or implement out. Okay, here is just a prepare code for simpler. Simple for the format decoder declare instance, declare set, declare, and then get converter. Repeat. This is some this is just easy thing to do. Not easy thing, but very the common thing we need to do it. Time to start coding. The main thing when you want to test is the check yourself. Basic idea of the method check to say if the doc.com object has in hint to test it. We could instance assign the load location created. Some test and domain and declare and stuff. The biggest problem that I don't have the desire to design this game. I think it's boring for me, but not boring. I think a little difficult. I think I can do, but actually I think I cannot do it. That's a little paradox, I think. But the problem is that I don't want to design, and I think I can do it. Okay, that's so stupid for me. Some design, some workflows, and so English description. English description. English description about our workflow. Okay, goodbye. Next.